Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Snapchat business account. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser, and what you're going to do here, you're going to just go ahead to the first search for businesses Snapchat. Just go ahead to that first result on your search, and what you're going to do, you're going to just scroll a little bit down to get to know more about this about this business account. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead right into creating an ad, right? So basically what's gonna happen is gonna open up a new page for you after you click the create ad, and you're gonna just wait for a few moments, and as you can see, you're gonna type your own first name, last name, username, and email, and password, and birthday. Okay, and basically what's gonna happen after you sign up and accept, you're gonna be asked like what is your business model and everything, and just add your own business model and your avatar and all that, and basically your Snapchat business account has been created on Snapchat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.